Volkswagen Eurovan. There's a big procedure going on here. I'm replacing the transmission oil cooler. This is the old one, and that's the new one. I already put on the hoses. So it's not an easy task, but not too complicated. It's just looks scary at first. So what's happening is it's located down there at the top of the transmission, and to be able to remove it, you need to remove the hoses, but not from the heat exchanger like that, but like you leave the hoses on and you remove it from the front, and then you make some room with few of the vacuum line, and then you release these bolts. Let's see what size is the bolt. Metric 8 Allen wrench. So with a longer extension, you reach in from here, you can release it. It's not too bad. And then we replace the little O-rings on it, the O-rings that goes on the bolt. They didn't give me O-rings for the top. I got no new O-rings for that. Straight goes back in. It's just not a big task, but it has to be done because the transmission will die if you let the coolant keep on entering the transmission, because when the engine gets hot, the coolant gets hot, and it creates a pressure, and the pressure presses through the heat exchanger into the transmission fluid, and in the transmission fluid, it's really not a good thing if there is coolant in the transmission fluid. And after this procedure is done, the transmission fluid has to be flushed, and several times, not once, but like at least 2 times, because you can't really extract much of it from the torque converter, unless you have some serious tools from a shop or something.